I have a scenario, and the scenario is in an Aura component, I want to fetch account record and I want to display the fields in such a way that the fields will be color highlighted, as in alternative fields will be having some color as a background color. If you notice that account name has got a background, account number hasn't got any background, whereas account website has got some background and industry has got some background. Now, if I want to implement something like this, which one should I opt for? Should I opt for Lightning Record View form or Lightning Record Edit form, or should I go ahead with Lightning Record form? Which of these two options should be used in case if I want to build something like this? And the answer is we need to go ahead with Lightning Record View form. That is because if you look at the code for Lightning Record View form, once after we use the tag, this tag is only responsible in fetching the record, and we have to take the pain of displaying all the fields one after the other. So we are trying to display the fields here one after the other. Now, when you try to compare that with Lightning Record form, this is going to fetch the record and this is going to display the record based on the fields that we specify here. And we are not trying to specify the fields one after the other, which means we'll not be having any control over the fields that will be displayed. We are only trying to specify the fields here using the attribute which is layout type, and rest everything will be taken care by the tag in terms of fetching the record and display it back to users. Now, if I want to change the background color of the fields, then in Lightning Record View form, we'll be specifying the fields explicitly. So I can wrap this tag in a div, this in another div, this in another div. Then I can give alternative CSS classes and it is going to do the trick for us. That's all for this episode. See you in the next one.